Okay, in today's lesson, we are going to learn about the chromatic scale. I'm going to play the chromatic scale for you first, and then we're going to break it down and dissect it and show you how to go about learning it. So here it goes. One, two, three, and. All right, so the chromatic scale is a scale made up of 12 different tones, 13 if you count the tonic that's on top. Okay? Um, there is only one chromatic scale. The only difference is what note you starting from. Okay? Now, just for today's lesson, we're going to do it in concert B flat for trumpets and tenors. That is starting on your C. For altos, that is starting on your G. And you want to start by learning the first 5 tones of the scale. The first 5 tones, you want to learn them ascending and descending first before you start adding more pitches to the scale when you're starting to learn this. So you want it to sound, you want to go slow, you want to play in half notes. You'll always use your metronome. Always make sure you're playing the metronome. Again, assures that we're playing with evenness and balance, as well as being able to tap our foot along to build our natural sense of time. So I'm going to just play the first 5 tones in half notes, right about here. I don't have a metronome because I'm using my phone to record this, so I can't access my metronome right now. So I'm just going to use my own natural sense of time. But don't do this at home. Use your metronome. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And so when I'm able to play those pitches, I want to be able to play them ascending and descending. It's just like counting forwards and backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, you should be able to do these same things with all of your scales. Once I'm able to do that, you look at your scale sheet, and then you add on the next 2 pitches, and always do it by 2s. So you have the first 5, then add 6 and 7. Then do the same process before 1 through 7. Be able to play the pitches on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ascending and descending. Start ascending and go to 7. And then try going from 7 and descending all the way down to 1. Okay? And then once you're able to do that, remember, the rule is being able to play it 5 times perfectly, both ascending and descending, and together. Okay? So you want to be able to, once you do that, you add 8 and 9. Repeat the process. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Once you're able to do that, follow the same rules 5 times, being able to play it perfectly. Then add 10 and 11. Then 12 and 13. Okay? Until you're able to play it up and down. That was a bad example, excuse me. once you can play clearly and accurately in half notes, the scale, all 13 tones, and that includes the tonic on top. Okay, and you can play it in half notes. Okay, then you can start taking up the tempo on your metronome. Um, you might want to slow it down and just play quarter notes. Maybe go down to 100 and just play quarter notes. And so it's like. And be able to do it ascending and be able to do it descending, and then you keep bringing up that tempo in the metronome. Remember, be able to play it 5 times, dissect it, ascending and descending. Okay, slow and steady wins the race. Okay, and you want to be able to get it up to a fast quarter note, like around about 180. Okay, 180 is around about. Excuse me, I got a technical difficulty on my horn. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And once you've done this, you can bring it into eighth notes and do the same thing with that process with the metronome. Okay, you want always aiming for evenness, even balanced playing, tapping your foot. Do not play fast. Fast is futile. Playing fast is futile. If you can't play something at a particular tempo with the metronome, if it's too fast for you, it's okay to slow down. Okay, you're not going to get it by playing fast. Okay, all right. Always play it at a tempo that you can handle but gives you challenge. Okay, don't play it at a tempo that's too fast and unrealistic. You know, and if you follow these rules, eventually you'll be playing something more like this. And then you can be able to access, once you take it to other keys, you already know the scale, all right? You're just starting from a different starting point. So if I take it. And so forth. All right. So I hope this video helps you guys. Make sure you're practicing this the exact way the description and the assignments describe. Follow the rules. Once you're at a place where you think you're at a level of mastery, ask yourselves those questions in the assignment. Okay? Happy practicing. Peace.